After decades of camping, in 2022, we got our first travel trailer. What happened next was unthinkable. Stick around so I can let you know what happened and how we managed to get past that point. So we researched campers and travel trailers for years because we wanted an RV. We've always tent camped. We thought it was time to get something a little different. We wanted something a little more sturdy than a pop-up, although we love pop-up campers. So we looked at smaller travel trailers. We would not need to get a bigger vehicle as long as we stayed under a certain weight limit. So we looked around and we finally found one, a Braxton Creek FreeSolo, and it was model year clearance. So we got it for pretty much half of the MSRP. Thought it was a great deal. We looked things over. The dealer worked with us to make sure everything was good. The inspection turned out okay. We brought it home, excited to finally have our own camper. And we went out a few times, and then one day we noticed this. So naturally, I figured, man, that was my fault because I didn't seal it right when I did clean it and seal it, because I just redid the seals on it not too long before that. Getting a hold of Braxton Creek was virtually impossible. You could email them, they would not reply. Anything on their website says just get a hold of the dealer. And the dealer at that point was about tired of dealing with Braxton Creek, and we really weren't getting much help from them either. So fast forward, we patch it up the best we can, and just numerous things start happening to this thing. The electric plug-ins don't work anymore. So what in the world are we going to do with this camper? We've had it for about a year and a half at this point. I always wanted to redo a camper. I didn't want to do it for a brand new one that I was making payments on. So we just happened to go by an RV sale. We stopped by there so that I could just film some campers and RVs to use in videos at other points in time. Then we ran upon this young, energetic salesman. He said that there was a way that they could take that camper off of our hands and get us in a brand new one. Just did the last walk around for the final voyage for the FreeSolo. We're going to pick up the new camper here in a few. So let's get on the road and say goodbye to this old girl. It was a no-brainer. We were basically going to pay the same amount of money that we were paying, and we wouldn't have to fix it up. Now, will things go wrong with this camper? Absolutely. Things go wrong with every camper. We pulled in, got set up. Everything looks good. Everything is working great. I came out of the camper and busted my face on the side of the awning. A little here, a little there. Whatever. We're going to try it out first night, see what it's like.